Hello everybody, once again, I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas. This is a 2023 3LT Z51 70th anniversary Stingray Convertible. How about this beauty? I know the 70th anniversaries are a favorite to this channel if you're a long-time watcher, but if this is your first time here, let's break it down. So 2023 Chevrolet Corvette's 70th birthday, and they had anniversary special editions. They had two colors, carbon flash and then white pearl, and you can see the metallic flake in the paint. This ended up being a one-year color, and it was exclusive to the 70th anniversary edition. And that's just the beginning. So as we break this down, you come to the front. This car has what they call the satin matrix dual stripe package. It's almost like an ultra light gray. It goes through, and it's the full full length racing stripes. The 70th anniversary badge was exclusive. You got the 70th instead of the yellow Chevrolet logo there and the cross flags. And then when you come to the front, this Stingray has the 5VM visible carbon fiber Aero kit. You can see the front splitter here. And it also has the visible carbon fiber inlet frame piece here, which is a big upgrade as well. Very, very, very nice. A lot of extra carbon fiber there. The 70th anniversaries also came standard with at the 2023 came out, the 20-spoke wheel was new. The 70th anniversary got it in midnight gray with red stripes. They also had the exclusive anniversary black center cap you see there with 53/2023 dates. And of course, most of the 70s came standard with the edge red calipers, although, however, a handful did have the torch red due to a paint shortage. And this car also has a beautiful set of the mud guards. Now, these are the OEM mud guards, but they have been custom painted on the outside here in carbon flash. So some work has definitely been put into this. You have the carbon flash mirror and high wing rear spoiler package. We'll get to the wing in a minute. All the 70th anniversary editions come with this big badge that you see here. Now, again, some people have been putting them on their cars, but as far as from factory, they only came on the 70th anniversary edition special. Now to the top. This is a convertible. You see we have the top in the up position and a satin matrix stripes through it. But you notice this one doesn't have the full carbon flash package. It just has the carbon flash nacelle package. So from a distance, it creates kind of this two-tone effect. But I'm going to go ahead, using the remote, you hit the unlock button and you hold this button here. And we're going to drop this top. Like so. Now look at that look. So now carbon flash looks a little bit more uniform with it. So it's a very cool option to get it. This was the carbon flash nacelle only package, not the whole roof. Very, very neat. And while we're here, you can see the full 5VM carbon fiber visible side skirt as well. Very, very beautiful side skirt. Those were very hard to get because they were on constraint throughout the early days of the C8, including into 2023. You can see we also have a continuation of the mudguard here, and it has been painted carbon flash on the backside as well. Then from here, you can see we got our Z51 high wing spoiler in the carbon flash. And then we also have the black tipped NPP exhaust. The black tip option was new for 2023, and it goes perfectly with this look because you have the standard carbon flash lower rear diffuser here, and the black just makes it subdued with it. All right, coming to the trunk. You can see we got our trunk space here. And the 70th anniversary edition, some of them came standard with bumper bibs and the bags and whatnot. We didn't get the bags with this one, but we did get the bumper bib. And the idea behind this is it mounts up, and then you put this over so when you're loading stuff in and out, it can prevent without damaging your spoiler. It also helps when you're reaching, especially if you're loading like a golf bag or whatnot. And then when you're done, you can either roll it up real nice or just drop it back in. All right, coming to the interior. So the 70th anniversary edition has got some exclusive options, which include all this microfiber suede Alcantara you see here. And of course, it is a 3, so we have the memory seats and all the control features, power mirrors. You can see this is the convertible top controls. We also got the Napa leather ceramic white piece there with the red stitching. Then the dash that wraps around, like you see, with all that red stitching in suede, including on the steering wheel. The infotainment system, of course, has navigation PDR. It's got a 14-speaker Bose premium sound system. And you can see we have below our mode selector there. We've got the cup holders open there. It's all suede Alcantara with the red stitching. And then the seats are the GT2 with the two-tone ceramic white and black finish there. And we got the torch red seatbelt as well. We also have 70th anniversary exclusive black door sill with the polished 70th logo in the middle there. Of course, we got our front here. We got our pouches. I don't have it hooked up, but we got the pouches here. This is the location, the brake fluid, and the windshield washer reservoir fluid, and the battery sits up underneath here. And when you close it, you go right here, and 2 clicks to close. This 2023 Stingray has 2,500 miles on it. We got it priced at $85,995. So the rehash, 3LT Z51 Mag Ride, 70th anniversary convertible, the carbon flash nacelles, carbon flash mirrors, and high wing spoiler, and the visible carbon fiber 5EM Aero kit and inlet framework. So absolutely very hard loaded, beautiful 70th anniversary convertible. If you're interested in this beautiful Corvette or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of this beautiful Stingray. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.